Hey, we're walking a long way.
That's okay. My feet is gonna get okay.
Welcome back to my No Name channel, and I'm Bruce, and this is another Singaraja Snippets number 14. And today we're going on to Jalan Gajah Mada and Lieutenant Colonel Wisnu, and we're going to go to Pramuka and then end up at Jalan Diponegoro. And so this is Jalan Dr. Sutomo. It's a really tiny little street. And who was Dr. Sutomo? He's a national hero of Indonesia. He was a founding figure of Budi Utomo, which was the first indigenous political organization in Indonesia. What? All right. Switch to one camera. This is Jalan Gajah Mada. This is where Jalan Imam Bonjol ends, and Hasanuddin and everything. And this is the post office. Hey, this is the post. Zoe, this is the post office. And here's the post office. And big furniture store across the street. All right, stay close. Look out. Like I said, there's... Oh, is this not here anymore? This used to be the telephone office. Well, I guess it still is. It looks deserted these days. This was central for me when I first moved here. If you wanted to call somebody internationally, you had to come up here. Okay, government offices. Come on, pay attention. Hey. Don't stop in the middle of the street. Hello. And this is Catatan Sipil, where I need to come back to Warung Pandava Restaurant and Family Karaoke. Used to be a bar, if I'm not mistaken. I think this used to be 21. Oh, so that's not. This is the old. This is 21. It's now called Kopi Bangit. This is now called Kopi Bangit. This used to be 21. And across the street is SMP Satu. And the other side of the street, which we'll get to in a little while, is SMA Satu. All right. And more ruined sidewalks. So Luke over at his YouTube channel talks about being careful with the sidewalks, and it's definitely true everywhere, but especially in Singaraja. Huggy. And we're coming up on the military post. And we just passed the radio station. I'm not going to film here. I did this once. Oh, when Zoe was little, got yelled at by his boss. And across the street, lots of signposts. Boy, and behind it is just tons of trash. People are using this to throw their trash. Look at all that trash. So, this is behind major temple by the major school, and it's turned into a garbage dump. That's sad. All right, we're gonna cross the street. Wait, come over here. And so what I'm talking about with the street, this is all over there, everywhere here. You read that? Yes. All right, come on. My voice is going out. I've been screaming at the kids to watch out. They're like little Desa kids out in the big city. And this road here goes straight to Denpasar. And there's a service station, well, gas station. And this is Jalan Letkol Wisnu. Lieutenant Colonel Wisnu. We used to walk by here every day. Well, almost every day. Haven't been here in a long time. This thing has become a jungle in here. Wow. Take a look through there. What? What's in there? There's no pochong in there. This is part of the temple grounds, and we'll see the temple when we get around in the front on Jalan Pramuka. And I love this. This is one of these short little Indonesian streets. You notice it's got the center divider, which is such a lovely part of the city. And we're coming up on one of the main streets in Singaraja right about now. There is KFC. When KFC first came here, it was a big deal. Big deal. Now we have KFC, we have McDonald's, we're gonna get a Pizza Hut, right? And over here, we have, this is Jalan Nurai. We have Prodia, the lab, Kimia Pharma, so if you need test done, and there's a a children's toy store over there that we used to go to when Zoe's little. And then there's Oak Tree Cafe. Okay, never been there. And so now we're on, well, this isn't Jalan Nurai, this is Jalan Pramuka. And the police station is over here across the street. And you can see, wait for me, Zoe, wait. So there's the police station. You can see there's a motorcycle lane. Some people use it and some people don't. And you used to be able to get your driver's license here, but they've moved that down now, the other side. And so I'm not sure what they do here. Okay, and Pagi Pak. Okay, come on. Pagi. Pagi. Okay, so Jalan Pramuka, and so this is the major temple in the middle of the city, and we used to come here all the time. Hey, don't play with things. Pagi, Ibu. Missy. And a little more on the temple when I do post. Pagi. Pagi. So, all right. And the girls here want to go as quickly as possible because I told them they can buy some stuff over at Alpha Mart at the end of the walk. And here is SMA1. Let's take a look. SMA1. And they're doing some construction here. And this is SMK Negeri 1, where, hey, this is where your mother went to high school. Why is this street called Jalan Pramuka? I'm not sure. Now there's masks for sale, peanuts. Okay, look out, look out. There used to be a hotel here. Is there still a hotel here? And this is one of the banks. And across the street is Indrajaya.
And that donut store.
Oh yeah? This used to be a movie theater over here. When I first moved here, this was still a movie theater. We don't have any of the big theaters. We used to have two big ones. One here and one on Jalan Surapati. Now we don't have any. And that's it. We're up to the intersection of Ayani and Deepa Nagoro. And so this this video is done for the day. Thanks for viewing. Be safe. Be kind to someone today. And we'll see you next time.